Can you visualize not one, but two guys? Whether he has a weapon, whether he doesn't have a weapon, you want the path to shutting down that attack empty-handed. Hi, my name is Hank Hayes, NLB Tactical and Intuitive Self-Protection. Okay, so we're just gonna talk about a couple of things that we teach our special teams and have for the last 25 years. This is gonna give you the 40,000 foot view of the path to neutralizing any threat. The path to neutralizing any threat. Okay, so let's say we have our guy here, and we are gonna look at a couple of things, HVTs, high value targets, right? So those high value targets are, we want to take his eyes, right? We want to take those eyes any way we can take those eyes, right? So you can do that with a rake. You can do that with an open hand strike, right? Now, I would not recommend hard to hard, right? That's going to be a problem. We're going to go soft to hard, right? Soft to hard, soft to hard with that open hand. We're also going to look at taking away his oxygen. We're going to take away his oxygen, right? So we're going to take away that oxygen there, remove obstructions, take away that oxygen there, move to the outside, take away that oxygen there. This, it doesn't matter how big somebody is, how strong somebody is. You take away their eyes, you take away their breathing, they have a huge problem. Pain delivery, right? Getting to that groin side, whatever way you get there. The point is high value targets do damage at every single opportunity. As you're dealing with these attackers, we're not going to be in a sport mode. Sport mode isn't going to get it done for you, bro. Sport mode is not going to get it done for you. He's coming with finishing force. He's coming with a lethal mindset, and you're coming with sport force. He's always going to win because his mindset and his approach path, attack pattern, methodology is completely different. You got to come ready to bring it to this freaking guy. And so some of those ways are, again, ears, right? Eyes, throat, right? Groin, right? Or take the groin there. This levels you up greatly in your pain delivery to the threat. This is part of the path to success in dealing with somebody, whether it's one guy, two guys, weapons, no weapons, and obviously you want to control those weapon-bearing limbs because you don't want to take thumps to the head or stabs to the body. But can you imagine, instead of punching it out with this guy, now we're taking, and now you can deal with the next guy that much more easily because this guy is dealing with the pain that you just put him through. You bought yourself what? Time in the attack. This is crucial. This is how we train. Can you imagine 25 hours of this training with four guys, opposing force training partners? This is going to take your game to the next level in just 2 days because you're doing stuff at a completely different functioning level. We're talking about the mindset and the functionality and approach that is used by guys and girls on the job where their lives are on the line, where if they don't succeed, they don't come home. Let me say that again. If they don't succeed, they don't come home. Let that sink in. That's why we do what we do. That's who we're here for. Those that want to level up their training into success and have an outcome that says you're going home and bad guys going somewhere else. If you like this stuff, if this stuff resonates with you, like, share, subscribe. Please share this stuff out. The only way that people are going to get this information is if you share it to them. Talk about it. Tell them the stuff you learned. Take it as your own and use it. Get on our mailing list. Get on that mailing list. We got a ton of free training, and this is part of the Thursday Drop series. Every Thursday we drop some knowledge bits, pieces for you so you can continue leveling up your security posture, your security profile, and your security hardening so the bad guy can't do his job. IntuitiveSP.com. We look forward to training with you soon. What do you say, Bob? Bob says, get on it, baby, get on it. We'll see you soon. Ciao.